Hello guys, Steve here, Shin RC. I got something in here I want to share with you guys. Let's open it up here. Bear with me. There she is. The Outlaw Rampage Pro. I guess the kit comes with the better shocks and stuff than the ready to run. Full ball bearings, everything ready to go. Let's open it up. We'll go over what's inside. Tires. Let's see what they feel like real quick. Not quite as good smelling as the Tamayas, but here they are. They have hard foams in them. They have stiff sidewalls, so they're grippy. I can't even get it back in here. They're so grippy. Alright, I got bag B. This looks like all the shocks, body posts, mounts, and all that good stuff. Bag 4 is the body. Real flexible out the rear. I don't know what color I'm going to paint this beauty, but I'm going to do something weird, like I always do. Bag 5 is the grill. All the chrome sections, parts and stuff. Oh crap, I thought you had to actually build it from parts. Well, this will be a quick unboxing. I thought I had to actually build this from the ground up, from parts, but looks like they already have it built. Not much of a kit when they call it a kit and it comes pre-built. Let me see real quick on the box. Pro. Oh, it says the Pro kit 70% pre-assembled. So it is pre-assembled. There's the manual. Let me put this down. Whoa, damn, that thing drops. Check that out. I guess the shocks will limit it, but that's just the way it works is awesome. That's why it looks real when you drive it. It's got the independent front suspension, sway bars, roll cage, 2 extra tires and wheels. They actually are real ones that you could swap out and use. That's cool. I'm going to probably take the rear end apart and re-grease it and put a seal, because I remember Net Cruiser, one of my guys I'm subbed to, he said the dirt got in by the motor, so he put like one of them Tamaya flat washers to seal it out. So I'm going to do that and re-grease it all. I'm probably going to have to take this apart. But that's what it looks like. Aluminum skids. The arms and materials on this chassis is weird. It's like it's like glass-filled plastic. It's real hard and stiff and rigid. You could hear that. But that's it. I thought I was going to have to build the whole thing. Here's the manual. see what the parts look like in that rear end. See what it looks like in here. If I can find it. There it is. So I'm going to probably take it apart and re-grease it and put that little seal, like I said, by the motor, on top of the motor, the face of the motor when you put it in. Basically got to just probably fill up the shocks, put the electronics and motor in, paint the body, and that's it. One little bag, here she is. So that's it, guys. Outlaw Rampage Pro Kyosho truck. I'll have to put this together and have a video on that. And then get another video of it running one time if the weather ever gets nice out. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video showcasing this. It surprised me, like I said. I didn't know it was together like this. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please leave me a thumbs up. Helps me and the channel out. Leave a comment. It's always awesome. And if you're new watching, please subscribe. And you get some more of my RC videos. I make a lot of RC content. All weird, crazy stuff. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Shen RC out.